We are Vimanika Comics. For the people who are not aware of our company, we publish comics and graphic novels based on Indian mythology. And I hope everyone can hear me. Is audible behind? Yeah? Right? We have a writer, Mr. Shitish Pade. You can keep sitting, no problem. I'd like to ask you a few questions, Shitish. How did you feel about the whole Shiva experience, and what was your experience about the whole
Moksha.
story? Sorry, Moksha. I'm sorry. I'm so attracted towards Shiva. He's also a Shiva writer, so I get confused. How did you feel with the whole Moksha issue 5 experience, writing it, and challenges you faced, and how did you work it out, basically? Because since you've been in the Moksha issue since Moksha issue 3 and 4, yeah.
No, this was my first title.
The first title. I'm sorry. The first title. Okay. Okay. Here I am again confused. Okay. Go ahead.
And the challenges for this series was since it has a story arc, an existing story arc. I was new to the series, so I had to adapt to a given storyline. Plus, you need to add new characters. There's an introduction of a new character into the story arc. And then the settings, we had to take it to Lanka. So we had a new setting. The story was basically in Hindu Kush mountains and adjoining areas. So we had to shift the attention to there. And then reveal some of the secrets which was being carried out in the previous editions. So I had to culminate it and unreveal one or two existing secrets. So that was the challenge basically for this title.
Okay. That was a challenge basically. मोक्षा का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा लगा आपको बेसिकली? मतलब वो challenges क्या फेस किए आपने?
अभी तक जो मैंने कॉमिक्स बनाई है मेरा एक्सपीरियंस सबसे अच्छा रहा मोक्षा के लिए।
अच्छा। और इससे पहले आपने कहाँ कौन सी कॉमिक्स बनाई हैं?
मैंने राज कॉमिक्स में बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर बनाए हैं, डोगा, भेड़िया और भी बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर्स आते हैं। नागराज को छोड़ के सभी बनाए मैंने, लेकिन मेरा जो मोक्षा का एक्सपीरियंस रहा वो सबसे अच्छा रहा।
क्यों रहा आपका ये एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा मोक्षा का?
क्योंकि हनुमान जी एक ऐसा कैरेक्टर हैं जो मुझे शुरू से पसंद है, तो इसीलिए मुझे हनुमान जी की वजह से मुझे मोक्षा बहुत अच्छा लगा पेंसिलिंग करना।
Banu ji is the production head and CEO of Pen to Print Media. He will tell you a little bit experience, sir, about Moksha and all the issues that you've been working with us, apart from me, being the greatest challenge for you. Calling you in the nights and shouting at you for no reason.
In fact, working with Vimanika Comics and Karanveer itself is a challenge.
I'm a pain in many places.
It's not a pain, it's a challenge, but as a production studio and as a comic studio, you always like to work with some creative things, more creative, religious, and more challenging.
Thank you so much, the team of Moksha, that they have really supported us and very patiently. And more than religious, it's an skill. That's what started off with Mr. Anand Pai feeling the lack of it quite a few years back. And that's the reason why. That was the same reason now that I want to sort of take that baton and move ahead. I can never be like him and never want to be like him, but I can be the better of me. I can improve the better of Karanveer that was there, and I will keep improving myself better and better. So I am not a pro-Hindu, I am a pro-Indian. I am promoting the Indianism that is there around the world. We are selling today in the UK, US, India, and we expect to sell all around the world, and it should keep expanding with more and more artists or artists आएं और awards जीतें. We have just to tell you this, that our Kalki Golden Book cover has won the Best Cover Award yesterday from Comic Con Awards 2011, And of course, Shiva was nominated, we'll be talking about it, nominated as the Best Graphic Novel in 2011 again in Comic Con India. So it's really lovely. The whole book is very nice, and it's just for $50, and you'll get it right there, Thank you so much for your time.